we're drinking and yelling. We're drinking and yelling. We're drinking and yelling. Just drinking and yelling.
Stop enjoying yourselves, you little cunts.
Oh, g'day girl. Are you Russian or you just in a hurry?
WTF? Do I fucking look Russian to you?
Oh, yeah.
OMG. Literally, get the fuck away from me. Mate.
What?
Oh, g'day, mate. Me and the missus here are going through a bit of a rough patch. We need a bit of help spicing up the relationship, you know?
Nah, I don't know.
Oh, just tell him. Now, Karen, the men are talking. You know, we need some young buck to fuck old Kez while I watch. When a marriage ain't going that well, it's the right thing to do.
Oh yeah, I get it. This is a problem I solve more often than you think.
Fucking nice, mate. Oh, I'm so excited. I've never been with a kangaroo before.
Okay, well let's do this. Sir, are you awake, sir? So what did he look like? Was he white, black, kangaroo?
I think he may have been a kangaroo, but he may have been South American.
How tall was he?
About 6 foot.
Did he smell good?
Yeah.
I've spent the last 5 years looking for that kangaroo, following him around in his beautiful stink. Always seems to evade me. But I'll get him. I'll get him. Don't you worry about that, sir.